Aloha, my name is Ian with DGI Construction, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to expense receipts in Contractor Foreman, and we'll communicate in WhatsApp to expense the receipts, and I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, so when you expense the receipt, you want to go into your main menu to expenses, and then you can click this add expense, or you can just click into expenses and then add an expense here as well. In WhatsApp, I will tell you what project the expense is for, and then the total you will get from reading the receipt. Let's just do a sample, so it'll be $500. The vendor you will also get from the receipt, and there might be Home Depot, or they might be a subcontractor, not a subcontractor, but a vendor. The expense name is materials or Home Depot, and then the first line item of the thing purchased. So like maybe I purchased 2x4s, so lumber 2x4s. If there's an expense reason, you gotta there's not really an expense reason that I put down, but if there is, put it down. Sometimes it might be material, equipment, subcontractor, or a labor that I sent out, so we could job cost everything. But then, it'll be labor or material. I'll specify the type as well. And then the cost code is, wood material, wood framing. If it's 2x4s, you want to add the receipt here. So take it from WhatsApp and then input the receipt in here, and then click upload. And the date is when it'll be on the receipt for the date. The reference number I don't typically use. The category is COGS, so cost of goods sold, and I can put that as well, COGS, and then supplies and materials for the project. Or I'll typically put the project, the type, and the category, and then from the receipt you'll figure out, you'll get the vendor, the expense name, the date, and the bank account. There's a bank account on every receipt, and it'll show numbers. And our main expense account is ending in 0191, our city Costco card that we use. And then whoever uploads the receipt will be this person here that you'll assign. So, if Vaughn or Darren uploaded the receipt, it'll be them. Or if I did, just assign it to me and then click save. That's how we job cost receipts or expenses to the project. If you have any questions, comment down below. If not, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Oh, by the way, you want to click save here so you can save it to the project.